there, it's Vashon, and for Valentine's Day I ended up making my husband this awesome little TV tray that he could have over by the couch, and it would hold remotes, and it also could hold his coffee and iPad and whatever else. And it's something that he had kind of mentioned that he was interested in, so I'm really excited to share this project with you, and let's get to work. So I got it pretty much all done here. I just need to stain, but before I stained, I took it back to the house and just tested it out. And although it is pretty cool, I thought something that might make it a little bit better are two things. Number one, in the back here, I wanted to add like a box so that he could slide his remote into that, or iPhone or something like that when he's at the TV. So we're going to be adding that. And then the other thing that I noticed is that, as is anything, you maybe didn't measure right. No, that would never happen. But you can see down here, there's a gap between the wood where my wedges are that stabilizes everything. And so I'm going to put a piece of wood in here so that it'll just look smoother and a little more finished. Alright, I got these sanded, and so we're just going to slide those right underneath there so we don't have that big wedge. Alright, that'll work just perfect. Alright, so we've got our little box made here, and the question was, I just asked my husband, who I made this for, should I attach it up here so he can put the remotes in? They'd stick out a bit, or should I lower it down and attach it down here? And after talking it over with him for a while, we decided down here would be better. That way the remote isn't interfering with his coffee and everything else. So plus it will make it a lot easier to attach it, because if I attach it up here, I'd have to go through all of those layers of wood from the other side, and that's going to be hard to attach. So it's actually much easier for me to attach it down here. So here's what the fully assembled TV tray looks like. Next is to put a stain on there. I chose golden oak. There it is, all done. And then clear semi-gloss as a finish coat. And there it is, all done there. And here's what the finished TV tray looked like. And it works perfect for what my husband was hoping to have. And it turned out to be a great gift. Ron approves.